Ever seen advertisements for healthy hair? How healthy is yours? How would you know? How can you tell? Well, oddly enough, healthy hair will stretch to 20% of its own length, at least. That's about a fifth as long again as it starts. And that's one good check. So I've got a piece of hair here, which we've pulled from somebody in the studio. There it is, just an ordinary hair. And I'm going to try stretching it between my fingers and my thumbs. But it slips out very easily. So before you start, you have to knot it at each end, which is easier said than done. But if you curl it into a loop and tuck one end through itself and pull, you end up with a knot, and you can just grip that between your finger and thumb and do the same at the other end. Well, this one's already pre-knotted, and if I put it down on the ruler here, you can see one hand is at 0, the other hand is at 200. So a fifth as long again ought to reach 240 millimeters. Well, let's see, we start here, 200, go out to 210, 220, 230, pretty good, 240, and it busts there. So we'll say it's just healthy. Not bad. What about this stuff? This came from a hairdresser. It looks terrific. There's blonde there and auburn, wonderful on your head, but is it healthy? Well, let's give it the stretch test. Let's try the auburn one because it's easier to see. If you just pull one thread out of there, once again, knot it at both ends, and I've already done that. So we start off with a hair that's knotted here. I'll just get a grip on that there, put it on naught. Knotted down there, once again it's 200 millimeters, and we'll give it the stretch test. Here goes, 200, 210, 220, and it just busts on 220. So that's not nearly as healthy as the one straight from the head. It may look terrific, but of course it's been dyed and dried and stored and all of that. So there's a little test for you. See how healthy your own hair is. Does it stretch to 1/5 its original length?